Hello, and welcome to another video. I have terrible news. My account got hacked. This YouTube channel got hacked, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to upload this video. But if you see that, that means that I was successful and I was able to upload this video, so I could share with you that I can not longer do videos on this channel. This is very unfortunate. Our family was growing, but it is how it is. I don't want any intruders on my channel. Yeah, what happened was that I randomly, videos got deleted, videos got added. Then I went through my comments and through your comments, and I saw that my name replied to those comments sometimes, and it wasn't me in person, and it's just terrible. I don't want this to happen, so I decided to not longer upload on this channel. And but on the bright side, I decided to make a new channel, a fresh channel. And if you are still willing to do telekinesis, to learn telekinesis, or pyrokinesis, or hydrokinesis, or any kind of kinesis, feel free to come to the other channel. It's called Telekinesis Guru. I could not use the same name, unfortunately, so I had to change the name. So it's called Telekinesis Guru. I tried to put it down in the what is it called, in the description, so you can find the link. And yeah, I'm probably gonna re-upload all the videos we did here on the other channel, so people still can learn. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to delete this channel or not. I don't know how these things work. Like technology is not really my thing, but we'll see. Anyways, if you're still willing to learn telekinesis, please come to the other channel. And yeah, have a good day.